Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Because of her medical conditions, my friend Jill has been eating vegetable medleys, and she likes that a lot. Her vegetable medleys usually will include 5 or even 6 different kinds of vegetables, and it makes the dish very interesting. But she missed the meat in the dish. Because of her medical conditions, she could only eat meat about once or twice a week. Therefore, I suggest to her to use tofu as a meat substitute. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add tofu to a vegetable medley. I'm also going to provide some tips. What's the best way to cook tofu? In the beginning, Jill told me that she did not like tofu, but she recognized the nutritional value of tofu. But after trying it for a while, she started to get to like it. For many people, a vegetable medley is the best way to consume more vegetables. I think the main reason is that a different kind of vegetable will provide different flavor and texture, and it makes the vegetable far more interesting. And many people told me that they do not like vegetable because they find vegetable to be monotonous, particularly when they have a vegetable dish has only 1 or 2 kinds of vegetables. In this case, the vegetables serve mainly as a side dish. Also, cooking a vegetable dish could be challenging to get it just right. The proper ratio of combination of the vegetable is also very important. To cook a vegetable dish with different kinds of vegetable in it, advanced prepping is crucial. Advanced prepping not only save time, but it also give you much greater selections of the vegetable that you want to include in the vegetable medley. For this dish, I put in 7 ounces of tofu, which is half of the tofu package, and I'm going to save the other part of tofu later on. Since not all tofu are created equal, and they come in a different texture. And it turned out that a different type of tofu texture is better for different type of dishes. Now, the tofu that I use in this dish is an extra firm tofu. Extra firm tofu holds its shape very well, but it also tends to be a little bit chalky. However, I really like this brand because it's not chalky at all. I find that when you season a tofu dish, you need to season it stronger than you normally would because tofu is relatively bland in flavor. I always use paprika as part of the seasoning agents. And I have tried different combinations, and I still keep looking for what might be the best flavor. And this is the flavor chasing aspect of my fast cooking system. As I have mentioned in my previous video, I use my masala dabur, which contains 7 seasoning agents that I can pick from. I'm going to add more water, both to steam the vegetables as well as to cook the tofu. After the quick taste test, I'm going to season the dish a little bit further with some oyster sauce as well as hoisin sauce. This will create a very light teriyaki flavor to the dish. In my younger days, I would season the dish with hot sauce, but now I just could not take spicy food too well. Because tofu is relatively bland, so create a gravy-like sauce is very important to give the tofu flavor. I'm going to add cornstarch suspension to the wok to create this gravy. I make this cornstarch suspension by using 1 part of cornstarch to 3 parts of water. Make sure you shake it well before you add it to the dish. You can make the sauce thicker by adding more cornstarch or less by adding more water. Finally, I add some colored bell pepper to provide both texture and flavor to the dish, but also to give color. The cook time of this dish is a little bit less than 6 minutes. For me, this brand of tofu makes a big difference in this dish. I use this tofu that I purchased from Aldi. And it comes in 2 different versions, firm and extra firm. I do not find too much difference between them, and I like them both. Finding the right kind of tofu is really very important, and you should try different brands to see which kind you actually like better. I also find the ratio between the tofu and other food ingredients in the dish is important. If you put in too much tofu, you might overwhelm the dish and you might not enjoy the tofu as much as you otherwise would. Seasoning the tofu is also very important, and create that gravy-like sauce is also play a role. When you take all this into consideration, I think you will feel like Jill has experienced that she really comes to like tofu. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.